Enro Collect VC, the new super compact vacuum robot from SCHAUER, impresses with its low height of just 52 centimeters and a large working width of 150 centimeters. Secure functionality, thanks to proven Enro multi-sensor technology and unique PC route planning. Of course, with comfortable operation via app and with online cloud support. With a charging time of just 12 to 14 hours, the Enro Collect VC can manure a dairy barn for up to 70 cows and is particularly quiet thanks to its integrated silencer. A specially developed suction opening picks up the slurry close to the ground and sucks it into the 300-liter tank with a powerful vacuum pump. The Enro Collect VC's various sensors guide the robot safely through the barn along pre-programmed routes. The Enro vacuum robot impresses with a perfect cleaning result on flat walking surfaces. The sensor technology, in combination with the PC route planning software, allows permanent referencing of the robot without additional installations. The Enro Collect VC therefore reaches its destination very safely, both in the stable and in the run-out area. In case of dry walking surfaces, the Enro Collect VC can moisten them by using its 50-liter water tanks and spray nozzles. During hot summer periods, it is advisable to use a sprinkler system to moisten the run-out area before removing manure to improve the cleaning results. The Enro Collect VC does a great job in removing manure from the walking surfaces in the barn and in the run-out area. Clean walking surfaces improve the cow's hoof health and increase the performance in the dairy barn. The collected slurry will be unloaded into the cross channel, and the water tank is filled at the same time. To empty the slurry tank quickly, the drain openings are released by using a slide valve. An integrated spraying device allows the slurry tank to be cleaned and emptied at the same time. The new Enro Collect VC impresses with its compact design, innovative navigation, and saves costs by simplifying concrete work on fixed walking surfaces in dairy barns.